Hello, que mi gente. Welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. On this episode, we're making goat stew, or in Spanish, Chivo Guisado. Let's go over the ingredients. I am using 5 pounds of goat meat, or chivo. I got 2 cups of red wine. You could use any red wine. 1 cup of tomato sauce. 2 cubes of sofrito. 2 bay leaves. 1 packet of sazon. Black pepper. Paprika. Adobo. Olive oil. A little bit of sriracha. So I have my Instant Pot on the saute settings. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. It's good. The first thing that we'll put in is our sofrito. We want to get all the flavors out of these veggies. We'll saute the sofrito for a few minutes. Because our sofrito has been sauteing for about 2 minutes. You can smell all the herbs, the garlic, the oregano. Smells really good. Okay, now we're going to put in our chivo, or goat. We want to saute the goat for a few minutes before we add the rest of the ingredients. Okay guys, so my goat meat has been sauteing for about 5 minutes. That's what it should look like. At this point, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Go ahead and close it. Changing the setting from saute to meat. Our goat meat should be done in about 35 minutes. I am going to serve the goat with yuca or cassava. I usually get it frozen. It's usually better than the actual yuca when you get it fresh from the grocery store. To make a yuca, all you do is put it in a pan, water, a little bit of salt, and just like you make potatoes, you make the yuca just the same way. Yuca is like a second or third cousin of a potato, so they don't taste the same, but they are pretty similar as how you prepare them. If you guys are interested in learning how to make yuca, please let me know in the comments down below, and I can make another video on how to make yuca, but it's pretty basic. The same way you make potato, you can make yuca or cassava. And here I have some red onion soaked in vinegar. I'm going to fry the onion with olive oil, and then I'm going to use it to garnish my yuca. Hey guys, so our goat stew or chivo guisado is done. At this point, I'm just letting the air out of the pressure cooker. Remember, safety first. Let's see what the goat stew looks like. It smells so good. And it looks so good. Hey guys, so at this point, my goat has a lot of water still. So I changed the setting from pressure cooker to saute high. So I'm gonna let some of that liquid simmer some more, and the meal will be ready then. Hey guys, so our goat stew is done. Now The only thing we need is some sriracha sauce. Hot sauce. Love me some sriracha. And I'm going to serve it and plate it so you guys can see it. So here you have it, guys. This is the final product. My goat stew is ready. I garnished it with some green olives, scallion, and I served it with some yuca, red onions, and avocado. Now all we have to do is to taste it. Let's give it a taste. It is amazing. Guys, if you like this recipe, go ahead and subscribe. Check out other recipes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.